Have you ever wondered about the magical transformation that happens when bread rises? It's like watching a kitchen miracle unfold right before your eyes. Today, we're diving into the fascinating science that makes our favorite fluffy loaves possible. Get ready for some seriously tasty chemistry. At its heart, bread rising is a beautiful dance between tiny living organisms and complex proteins. Let's start with our star performer yeast. These microscopic fungi are the powerhouse behind the whole show. When you add yeast to your dough, it immediately springs into action like a tiny army of workers. But what exactly are they doing? Well, these clever organisms feed on the sugars in your dough, creating two very important byproducts, carbon dioxide and alcohol. Think of it like tiny bubbles being blown into a balloon. The carbon dioxide forms pockets of gas throughout your dough, making it expand and grow. But wait, there's another key player in this process: gluten. When you mix flour with water and knead the dough, you're creating an intricate network of protein strands. These strands of gluten are like elastic bands that stretch and trap the gas bubbles produced by our hardworking yeast. Without this gluten network, your bread would be more like a pancake than a loaf. The temperature plays a crucial role too. Just like we feel more energetic on warm, sunny days, yeast becomes more active in warm environments. This is why bakers often let their dough rise in a warm, cozy spot. As the yeast continues to feast on sugars, more and more gas bubbles form. The gluten network stretches like a balloon, getting bigger and bigger. But there's a delicate balance at play. Too much rising time, and the gluten structure can weaken, leading to a collapsed loaf. Too little time, and your bread will be dense and heavy. The final stage happens in the oven, where heat causes the gases to expand even further. The proteins in the gluten network then set permanently, giving us that perfect airy texture we all love. It's also when those delicious golden brown flavors develop through something called the Maillard reaction. And there you have it. The rise of bread is truly a remarkable example of science in action. From microscopic yeast to protein networks, it's a perfectly choreographed process that transforms simple ingredients into one of humanity's most beloved foods. Next time you bite into a slice of fresh bread, remember the amazing chemistry that made it possible. Thanks for joining me on this scientific journey through your kitchen. If you enjoyed learning about the science of bread rising, don't forget to like and subscribe for more food science adventures.